Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix the ChatGPT memory full issue. After unlocking your phone, open the ChatGPT. This is where all memory and personalization settings are managed. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left side. This will open the main navigation menu. From here, we can access profile and settings. Options, isolate. Now go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Here you will find different settings like personalization and memory. This is the main control area for your account settings. Now look for the memory option and tap on it. Here you will see all saved memories and stored data. This is where ChatGPT stores your previous preferences. Now tap on the three dots and select Delete All Memories. This will clear all stored memory and free up space. After doing this, the memory full issue will be resolved. And that's how you can fix the ChatGPT memory full issue easily. Once you clear memory and update the app, everything works smoothly again. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials like this.